Hello from the Bureau with your national weather forecast for Monday, the 2nd of September. First, let's have a recap of what we've seen so far today. And of course, overnight, we did see that very powerful cold front move through southeastern Australia. And that's brought widespread damaging to destructive wind gusts for Tasmania, Victoria, and southeast New South Wales, as well as rain, hail, and snow. So if you are in these areas, do check out our dedicated severe weather update video, which is available on our social media channels. But heading into Monday night, rain and wind will ease as the system pushes out into the Tasman Sea and a high pressure system develops behind it. So that will mean clear skies heading into Monday night and Tuesday for much of the country. And the next system we're keeping an eye on is this cold front, which will approach Western Australia in the coming days. On Tuesday, we do see the chance of morning fog and frost for eastern inland areas with a high pressure system, otherwise becoming quite hot and windy across northern Australia, and showers increasing across the far southwest of Western Australia as that cold front approaches. Now let's take a closer look state by state, starting off with Queensland. And for your Tuesday, we do see the chance of morning fog along the coast, mostly between Mackay and up towards Cairns, but we will see winds shift around to that southeasterly trade flow, which does mean increasing showers for places like Cairns. Across the southeast though, much cooler. 25 in Brisbane, ending the run of very warm days, and the heat will contract into western parts of the state with maximum temperatures in the low to mid 30s. Next, in New South Wales, again there is a chance of morning fog and frost west of the Divide, but it will be a much calmer and quite a bit cooler day as well. Just 18 degrees in Sydney, 16 for you in Canberra. In Victoria, again, a much calmer day. There's a chance of fog and frost for northern districts, but otherwise generally much milder and closer to the September average. 17 in Melbourne, but it will be quite windy still along the south coast. In Tasmania, we will still have flood warnings for much of the state, but as you can see here, showers really easing up and contracting to the west coast through the day. 15 degrees in Hobart and 15 degrees across the board for northern Tasmania. A lovely day on the way for South Australia with light winds. The chance of morning frost about agricultural areas dropping down to just 2 degrees in Port Augusta, but lovely sunny day, 20 degrees in Adelaide and much milder across the north of South Australia. In the west, we do see showers increasing about the Capes from the morning, pushing up towards the Perth Metro, but most of those falls actually come through later on the day and into Wednesday as that cold front approaches. But it will be very hot through eastern districts and up towards the Goldfields and the Pilbara. And we will see elevated fire dangers, maximum temperatures getting up into the low to mid and even high 30s there. Finally, across northern Australia, we will see hot winds developing. There is extreme fire danger for the Darwin area, getting up again into the high to mid 30s, even approaching 40 degrees across northern parts of the Kimberley, otherwise looking dry across the rest of the north. That's your weather forecast for today. Keep up to date with the latest forecasts and warnings on our website, social media channels, and we'll see you next time.